Good morning. So today we are going to launch this machine. This is a very special kind of printer. We call it as a big area additive manufacturing or the large area additive manufacturing. This is a kind of unique concept where you get a bigger build volume and you would be able to print a bigger large size parts which could be used for the various applications, right from small components to various machinery components, mold, design, as well as you can utilize it as a prototypes. So I'm just going to inaugurate this particular machine today. You could see, like, this has got a different material which can be used for this, right from the flexible material to various colored machine material also. So various combinations and permutations are possible with this machine. So let us see, let us first go with the opening of this machine, and then we perform the puja about this machine. So now this is the machine is ready, and with the Indian tradition way, now today we are going to perform a puja of this machine, and then followed by would start the application on running onto this particular machine. Thank you. So now this machine is officially launched, and this is the first machine available in India with a BigRep Studio Generation 2. You could see the height and the build volume is very bigger, and this is the large area additive manufacturing solution available with you. So I am dedicating this machine to all my Indian friends and all my well-wishers, customers, and all of our brothers and sisters across the India. So those who would like to explore this machine can feel free to log into www.pelfinfotech.com, or they can send us the email, that is info@pelfinfotech, that is pelfinfotech.com. Thank you.